Hey guys, it's Sung, and today I'm gonna show you how to make perfect pancakes every time. Then we'll top them with some fun ideas that'll break up the usual morning routine. Thank you to Krusteaz for sponsoring this video. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have all made pancakes before, but I've seen a lot of people struggle with pancakes that are either too thick, too thin, too burnt, too smooth. I'm gonna give you all the tips and tricks to get those beautiful laced up pancakes. Okay, so first we're gonna start with Krusteaz pancake mix. It's a classic, I grew up on it, and it's awesome because there's no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, and it's great for the family. I'm gonna scoop out 1 cup of our pancake mix. You guys are probably thinking, why are you spooning it in? It's because I don't wanna pack the pancake mix and basically get more than I need. Level it off, and then pour it into my mixing bowl. Now I'll add 2 cups of cold water. Cold water is key. You don't want to use warm or hot because it'll make the batter thicken up too much and you won't get very good results. Also, be sure not to overmix because it'll create a dense pancake. This looks good. All right, so now that we've mixed the batter, this next part is crucial. We're gonna let the batter sit for 2 minutes to hydrate so you don't end up with those dry lumps in your pancakes. Nobody likes that. Also, this allows leavening to activate so you get those soft, fluffy pancakes. All right, now it's time to cook. If you're using a non-stick electric griddle, make sure to just use the center of it as the outside can have cold spots. And you wanna make sure to preheat it to 375 degrees. If you're like me, you can use a non-stick frying pan and heat it up to medium-high heat. To achieve that golden brown lacing on top, we're gonna add a touch of butter and make sure not to wipe it off. Now I'll scoop about 1/4 cup of the batter into my pan and I'll let it cook on each side for 1 minute to 1:15 seconds. This allows enough time for the top to bubble and the bottom to get golden brown and not burnt. Once you flip it over, make sure not to pat it down with the spatula or else you're gonna smush it down and lose the fluffiness. I know it's tempting, but just refrain from doing it. Now we're just gonna repeat all the steps until we have a nice stack. Now to top our perfect stack of pancakes, I'm actually gonna add some salted butter. I accidentally did this one day and just the combination of the saltiness with the sweet maple syrup just really gave us a good balance, so it's our new thing. Then I'm gonna add some berries, some maple syrup, get some syrup in there, fluffy layers of pancake, perfectly browned. That sweet and salty combo from the butter and the maple syrup just complements the pancakes so well. And then with that burst of berry, this is a good breakfast right here. All right, before we move on to the next couple of ideas, be sure to drop me a pancake emoji below and like this video right now. For this next one, we are gonna find a new way to use up your brown bananas. No banana bread here. We're gonna make banana pancakes. So in my bowl, I'm gonna add half of this brown bananas. I'm gonna go ahead and mash it down. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Then I'll add 1 cup of my Krusteaz pancake mix. Again, same ratio with the water, add it in, whisk it up. Make sure you're getting all of the beautiful banana bits at the bottom into the batter. Now we're gonna let it hydrate. And to make these pancakes, we're gonna cook them off the same way. 75 seconds later, we'll flip it. All right, our banana pancakes are done, and now we're gonna top them with some tropical flavors. I, of course, will be adding some more bananas, but I also have some cut up pineapples here and some macadamia nuts for a crunch. Some whipped cream, and if you have coconut syrup, that would be amazing, but I think this tastes beautiful with maple syrup. Just pour that on top. Now my favorite part. I'm gonna grab a pineapple and some whipped cream. This takes me back to Hawaii with all those tropical flavors, the crunch from the salty macadamia nuts, and then just that refreshing bite with the pineapple paired with the fluffy pancakes. It's a short stack of paradise. Take me away. This one, we're gonna give it a little bit of an Italian flair by adding some ricotta cheese in there. Ricotta. ricotta. I'm gonna start by adding some ricotta into my mixing bowl. Zest half of a lemon, add our Krusteaz pancake mix. If you guys want all the ratios and ingredients, I'll have it listed down in the description box below. For the water, because the ricotta is pretty watery, I lowered the amount to half a cup. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. And once it's mixed, I'm gonna add in some fresh blueberries and just gently mix it one more time. Now I let everything hydrate and we'll cook it off the exact same way. Look at the little blueberries peeking through. So cute. And there's our great stack of ricotta blueberry pancakes. All right, for this one, because I already have a lot going on inside the pancakes, I'm gonna keep it really simple by just topping it with some butter and of course using some maple syrup. I get that refreshing zest of lemon in there, and then the ricotta has a little bit of this tanginess that just really takes the pancakes to a whole different level. It's sweet, not too sweet, just like very perfectly, interestingly balanced. And then the blueberry just kind of bursts in your mouth. This is a really great combo. So those are 3 of my favorite pancake toppings. I'd love to know what you guys like to add on top of your pancakes or mix into it. If you guys want to learn more about Krusteaz, be sure to check out the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!